Hi everyone, I'm Maria.
Hi, I'm Ellen. If you're new here, welcome. And if you have seen us before, welcome back.
This video is on how I decorated my house. This is my house tour, which I've been promising you guys that we would put out for you. I'm really excited to show you how everything came together, and it really put us in the mood for Halloween. So I hope you get some great ideas for your own house.
Make sure you watch until the end because we have a preview on one of the crafts we're working on for Thanksgiving.
I'm excited about that.
Oh, I am too. So don't miss our upcoming videos. So subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and click that bell so you'll know when we upload our next video.
So let's start looking around. Yeah, I'm really happy with how it all came out this year. And when I do crafts every year and put it, add more to it, it just makes it that much more spooky for me. This is the mystical spell book that I made last year. We mentioned it in our last video, so I wanted to make sure that you guys saw that. And I had to make a poison apple to go with it because it goes along with the spell.
Ooh, looks good.
And there's the Halloween coming up with the Halloween guest book that we did in one of our videos. Oh, I made that thumb. I thought it would be cute if her love left her something and he left her his toe. Like I said, here's the guest book that we did. You just have, when your guests come in, they can sign it. You can put pictures in it, keep it year to year, bring it out. People will have a blast looking at it.
It really makes them feel a part of the party to be able to write something and then to have pictures. It's like a scrapbook. It's so much fun to be able to keep from year to year.
Right. One of my fondest memories about Halloween when we were growing up, Ellen, was we have 3 brothers also. And we had a long driveway, and they would decorate the whole thing like a cemetery. I mean, we're talking coffins, skeletons. You remember all that?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, they really went all out. Yeah, and it was so scary that I remember my mom would be telling the guys, it's like, you know what, can you just like chill out for a little bit? Can you let these kids come to the door? Because they were so afraid they wouldn't even come up the driveway. And so, yeah, it's just so much fun. A lot of great Halloween memories. And it's
hey, maybe that's why I like decorating my house like this, because
I'm
what
sure.
I thought they used to do. Yeah.
No, it brings back a lot of fun memories, and to be able to have it for generations to come, kind of thing.
Right. So we filmed this at nighttime to give you the real ambiance of Halloween, but we also took still pictures during the day so you could really see what the crafts look like, which I thought was a great idea.
Yes, it
and
really
this
helps
is the
to
spell,
see it up close.
This is the spell from Hocus Pocus that turned, say his name, Alan.
Oh, Factory Beans!
Into a cat.
Oh my gosh, there he is!
Yeah, so I had to put a cat next to it.
Oh my gosh, how fun. Ooh, there's our shadow box.
Yeah. You guys like that? You check out our other video. We showed you how we made it. It was really easy. It was cool.
Oh my gosh, this looks so awesome, Maria.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And the crystal ball, all you do is get a snow globe at the Dollar Tree, fill it with batting and some light, and there you go. There you have a little crystal ball. It's fun to be able to come up with different ideas and make them your own, and know that you did it and just add to it every year. It's really fun.
That is fun. And they're so simple that anyone can do it.
Yeah.
Even me.
And they're the spooky frames. There you go. Here's the spooky frames that we did in another video.
Oh my gosh.
And I like how it is on the wall. Yeah. I like how that turned out. I'm really glad that I came up with the idea of putting the purple lights behind it.
It really makes them stand out. Gosh.
Right.
Wow. It looks so awesome.
And so on Halloween night, I'll have more candles lit and everything like that. So, but this guy gives you guys the ideas of how I decorated my house.
Oh, this is so much fun.
And even though my kids are older, they still really love it.
Well,
I love it.
I know. You think about it. Halloween isn't just for kids. Think about all the costume parties, and adults have just as much fun.
Right.
I know. I was just wondering, what am I going to dress up as?
Oh, you come up with good ideas.
Yeah,
I've seen
it's
past
fun.
pictures of you.
Oh,
Good old Frank.
Yeah, I know. He's so fun. Oh, here's our friends.
And I love these girls. I have to put them in on Halloween. I love that movie.
Oh, me too. It's one of my favorites. It's definitely a tradition in our house every year.
Yeah. And it's a witch's hat, and shortly you'll be seeing a picture of how it looks during the day. It's kind of hard to see right now.
It looks
There
so
it is.
good. Oh, I love it.
And then I made a skeleton cemetery, but I kind of had to because I have a plant next to it that I made into a house and didn't really want to move the plant, so I just embellished it. I just added to it. And you'll see that in a couple minutes.
Oh, that looks so good. And there's those purple lights. Woohoo!
Right?
Oh,
So we got good versus evil.
yes.
And they're putting it up for sale.
Oh my gosh. And the picture really shows it as far as who wants to live next to a cemetery. Oh.
Right. So I hope you enjoyed and got some good ideas for your own house. I'm already thinking about next year.
If you know someone who would enjoy this video, please share with them. And if you haven't already, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and make sure to click that bell so you'll know when we upload our next video. And as promised, here is a preview, one of our Thanksgiving crafts that we're working on.
There it is. Yeah, we'll show you step by step how you can make it too without having to spend a lot. Thanks for stopping by.
Till next time.
Bye.
Bye.